We have the Geneva 4655G simulated antique gold tone roped wall clock. Imposing art gallery exhibit material is the 16-inch wall clock furnished by Geneva Clock Company. Cabinet has antique finish complemented by ornate braided face trim, impression of roughened parchment face mat, and chiseled black metal timing hands. Heavy duty 2-inch simulated antique with a gold tone roped plastic casing. 12-inch sturdy glass face, fancy metal hands, large, easy to see 1 1/4 inch black Roman numerals on an earth-tone clock face. Requires 1 AA battery, not included. Quality by Geneva.